when I saw this place, it was 5-star reviews.
9,999 na yun. Meron ka ng electric scooter.
Napili ko tong unit maliban sa malakas yung hatak, maganda yung battery.
Kasi yung unit nyo, yung specs at itsura niya, maganda, tsaka yung presyo, sulit.
Tara na at maglesonan, baby.
Okay, meron tayong delivery ng motor bisikleta papuntang Ermita, Metro Manila. Meron tong 20 km pedal assist per full charge at top speed na 30 kph. Naka-tubeless tires na to, naka-dual mechanical disc brake, may busina, tail light. So, shout out kay Boss Julio from Ermita, Metro Manila. Thank you for trusting Motor Electric a bit away. Okay, meron tayong delivery ng motor bisikleta 2.0 papuntang Ilocos Norte. Meron tong 20 km pedal assist per full charge at top speed na 30 kph. Naka-tubeless tires na to, naka-dual mechanical disc brake. Doon, may busina, headlight. So, shout out kay Boss Jin from Ilocos Norte. Thank you for trusting Motor Electric a bit away. Okay, meron tayong dalawang delivery ng motor bisikleta 2.0 at motor 10K. So, shout out kay Boss Juna from Caloocan City. Umorder ng motor bisikleta. Pinakamurang electric affordable bicycle in the market. So, shout out din kay Boss Tibol from Sampaloc, Manila. Umorder ng motor 10K. Pinakamurang electric scooter in the market. So, shout out sa inyong dalawa. Ride safe sa dalawang unit. Thank you for trusting Motor Electric a bit away.
Okay, basta ng pangalan nyo?
Ivan.
Saan pa po kayo galing?
Sa Caloocan.
Bakit dito po kayo napiling bumili ng electric scooter sa motor?
O ito, kumbaga, na-recommend lang dito sa social media and sinabi lang din sa akin ng tito ko.
Bakit po si Vagabond ang napili yung electric scooter?
Kumbaga dito, kilala din siya and marami din bumibili. And mas convenient siya gamitin kaysa sa mga ibang motorcycle. Nakakasave siya sa ano. Kumbaga, eco-friendly siya. A bit away.
May walk-in client tayo. Boss, ano pa natin?
Pangalan Leo, taga San Pablo, Laguna.
Bakit dito ka sa Motor Electric na pabili?
Kasi yung unit nyo, yung specs at itsura niya, maganda, tsaka yung presyo, sulit.
Boss, bakit si Motor Vagabond ang napili mo sa dinaming unit dito sa Motor Electric?
Dahil siguro sa looks niya, tsaka yung sa specs niya, waterproof, tapos yung presyo, mababa. A bit away.
Okay, so bale meron tayong delivery ng Motor Vagabond papuntang Calamba, Laguna. Meron tong 20 km for full charge at top speed na 50 kph. Naka-tubeless tires na to. Naka-dual mechanical disc brake. So shout out kay Boss Paul from Calamba, Laguna. Thank you for trusting Motor Electric a bit away.
Meron tayong 4 na delivery papunta sa mga clients natin. Motor 10K papuntang Calamba, Laguna kay Boss Michael. Meron tayo dito naman Motor Landas papunta kay Boss Jaisel. Dito lang yan sa Manila area. Meron tayo kay Boss Gina papunta naman tong Makati. And lastly kay Boss Luciano papunta namang Antipolo. Itong dalawang model na to si Motor Hikaru. Pinakamurang electric Japanese bicycle in the market. Konti lang yung stocks nito. Dalawa agad kumuha, kaka-restock lang natin. Ito naman si Motor Landas. Pinakamurang electric mountain bike sa balat ng Pilipinas. And lastly, si Motor 10K. 9,999 na yung meron ka ng electric scooter. A bit away sa mga bumili. Thank you for trusting Motor Electric. Let's go.
Right, quick commercial. If naghanap kayo ng murang electric vehicles, mapang electric scooter, electric bike, electric motorcycle, dito kayo sa Motor Electric Vehicle Philippines. Address namin and contact number andyan sa screen. Post nyo na lang kung gusto nyo. Bam! Alright? So yung price list natin as of the moment, eto, bayam, post nyo na lang din kung gusto nyo. Meron dito cash payment, may bank transfer, may home credit installment, may credit card payment, pwede trade-in, pwede sell out. Message nyo lang ako or yung page namin. Avit, away baby. Let's go.
Okay, may walk-in client tayo ngayon. Anong name natin, boss?
Ako si Baltasar Tonogan, all the way from Quezon City.
Bakit sa motor electric kayo napabili, boss?
Actually po, panahon pa ng pandemic ay nanonood ako ng video ng motor. Then sabi ko, meron na kasi akong unit na mover. Sabi ko, balang araw gusto ko mag-upgrade rin. Kaya trusted talaga yung motor EVP. Dahil maliban sa meron silang physical store, yung mga staff po nila dito ay magaling magsikaso ng kanilang mga customer. Kaya alagang EVP talaga po.
Bakit si Motor Vagabond yung napili, boss?
Napili ko tong unit dahil maliban sa malakas yung hatak, maganda yung battery, ay rainproof po ito. Kaya ayos na ayos ito gamitin sa panahon ng tagulan.
Abit away!
Okay, may delivery tayo papuntang Imus, Cavite. Shout out kay Boss Paul. Kumuha siya ng Motor Vagabond base natin at napagkabit siya ng phone holder, premium side mirror, at saka 3-liter Wildman bag, saka kiddie bar with hook, at saka top box natin at uli yung crash guard natin. Shout out sa'yo, Boss Paul. Boss Renan, ikutan mo yung unit niya.
Okay, bali may dalawang delivery tayo ngayon. Dalawang motor Recaro. Shout out kay Boss Luciano at Boss Gina. So i-unbox natin ang unit nila.
Hey, good day today, sir. And what is your name?
My name is Joseph.
Hey, Joseph. Where are you from?
I'm actually originally San Diego, California.
And where are you staying here in the Philippines?
Right. So I recently moved to BGC.
Okay, so that's a good thing. I also stay in BGC. And I would just like to ask you, why are you choosing this unit?
So since I moved here, I noticed that the transportation is, it's very congested in the Manila area. So it just seemed like getting around, getting an affordable electric scooter would be your best bet. And so I came across, mainly because of the reviews, this place. And that's really what sold me. I was like, you know what? I got it. I know the area probably wasn't like the best, but I knew that the reviews spoke highly with the service of this place. So that's what brought me here.
And this is a wise choice, by the way. So, just like to ask, there are lots of electric scooter shops here in the Philippines, but why here in Motor EVP?
Mainly because I was close by, but mainly I just Googled electric scooters near me. And when I saw this place, it was 5-star reviews. And I said, you know what? I mean, when there was a lot of reviews like that, it's huge. Aviate away.
Na nga po, may walk-in client pala tayo na, sir, anong pangalan natin, sir?
Ariel Recto.
So, sir, taga saan po tayo, sir?
Baliches.
Ba't sa motor kayo napabili sa dami-dami ng nagbibenta ng electric scooter dito sa Pilipinas?
Dati kasi matagal ako nanonood ng mga ganitong sa vlog. Sabi ko, mas maganda sa motor kasi mukhang quality naman eh.
Matagal na pala natin followers siya, sir. So, palagi siyang nanonood. Isang tanong pa, ba't si motor bisikleta yung napili nyo, sir, sa dami-dami nating unit? May mga malalaki pa tayong unit, ba't si motor bisikleta, sir?
Sa tingin ko kasi maganda yung product, tsaka mas sulit, mas mura.
So, tayo pala nagbibenta ng pinakamurang bisikleta na beautiful machine.
Abit away.
Thank you for watching the video. Nagbebenta kami dito ng electric scooters, unicycles, and bicycles. Brand new and used. Meron dito sa Motor EVP. Nagre-repair din kami ng mga units. Kung gusto nyo bumisita, address and contact number andyan sa screen.
Message nyo na kami. A bit away.